So I hear this is an event for smart green unicorns made in Europe. We're based out of London. Hopefully you'll still accept us as such. So I'm Eliron. I'm a commercial officer for FarePilot. And what we believe in FarePilot is that the autonomous fleets of the future, you know, those roaming vehicles around our cities picking up and dropping off passengers, will need accurate predictive maps of supply and demand for passengers. You know, very few companies today have access to some form of data about passenger demand. You know, the Ubers of the world and some public agencies, but you see other players piling in as well. And our vision is to create a cross-platform global predictive supply and demand map. How are we getting there? We start with today's professional drivers, those that actually pick up and drop off passengers every day, working for Uber, for taxi companies, for Lyft, sometimes for all of the above. There are over 1 million of those guys around just the US itself, and more than 80% of them have less than 1 year of experience. They're often part-timers, and they're not loyal to just one platform. And when we speak to them, the #1 problem, their worry is to find more jobs, to find more pings, more fares, not to run around wasting time and fuel getting them. They're also not sure about their costs. Not sure if they're actually turning profit at the end of the day. And 95% of them tell us they want us to secure more jobs for them, more stable jobs and income. And that's why we built a suite of tools, starting with a hotspot feature. It's a very simple feature that drivers use to find hotspots of demand around them, reducing the idle time. This is followed by a money management feature. It's a personal P&L, helping them also save money with offers, with discounts. And this is also how we make money on sort of affiliate feeds through the app. And then finally through Jobs Marketplace. So anyone with demand for jobs will be tapping into our driver population. The hotspot feature, is quite simple as a driver. You simply click a button and you see hotspots of demand around you. We also tell you about live events. If they're around you, we tell them where they are, how many people are there, and exactly what time are they finishing. So you can be there ahead of the surge, ahead of time. But behind that feature actually is a sophisticated model that we've iterated on for many months using, I may say, probably the top data scientists out there. It's built on historical data as well as live data sources, and most importantly, our own drivers, through their feedback, we iterate our algorithm and apply machine learning to improve our model every day. We've been live this year in London and Los Angeles, more than 14,000 drivers already using FarePilot, and they're growing by the day. It means we will be going to our next funding round later this year with support of Shell Tech Ventures, but any other parties are welcome. This will power our expansion into more than 50 cities by 2020 and position us right at the top of the stack for autonomous fleets. It means we can help them become more productive, make their vehicle utilization better, and also predict things like downtime and energy consumption so we can help them charge at the right time at the right place. Thank you very much.